are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, what's up? Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. We're going to be doing ribs today. It's not about the ribs. It's about this device right here. Can't really see it. Now you can see it. It's out of the box. Okay? It's called Meatmeet. I love the name. I didn't like it at first, but then it got catchy. I'm like, Meatmeet. Okay? Kind of reminds me of the Roadrunner. But anyway, this is a wireless meat thermometer. So we're going to use it during the video to take this to 195. And then it'll tell me on the phone. I'll see if it works. See if it's good. I'll try it with another thermometer to test its accuracy. But the good news is they sent me 2 of these. I don't know what I'm possibly going to do with the second one. I know. I can give it away. If you live in America, I'll mail you the second one. So anyway, we're going to cut 4 pieces. So we're going to cut these 2 racks in half. One's cooked in the oven. One's cooked in the pressure cooker. One's cooked on the smoker. One will be cooked on the grill. We're going to do ribs 4 ways and find out what is the best way, flavor-wise, tenderness, cooking method of all 4, okay? By the way, they all will be seasoned with Cosmo Q SPG, which stands for salt, pepper, garlic. They'll all be seasoned equally. They'll all be cooked to 185. They'll all rest. Then we'll try them and see which one's the best. All right? I think that's it. So let's get this meat out, get it on trays, get it seasoned, and do ribs 4 ways. All right, guys. So just to give you an idea what it looks like that. And it's by a company called Meatmeet. You know, like the first meat, it's one word, Meatmeet. Meat, M-E-A-T, M-E-E-T. Meatmeet is the company name. So what you're going to do in the comments, you're going to tell me you're interested in getting a Meatmeet. If you don't spell it correctly, you're not entered into the drawing. Once again, the way to spell it, M-E-A-T, M-E-E-T, Meatmeet. Okay? That's what it looks like. Supposed to be unlimited distance. Hooks to your Wi-Fi, communicates to the cloud, communicates through Bluetooth. There's an app I'll show you on the phone. But first, we gotta season all this. Let me put that over there for right now. There we go. Once again, what's the rule about seasoning? That's right, you can't over-season. Alright guys, the longest is going to be the smoker, so we're going to get that on first. We got our smoking mat, fully seasoned, the smoke's billowing, perfect. Okay guys, just a comment on the Meatmeet wireless thermometer. It said it was around 174 on the phone app. So we wanted to see how accurate it really was. We went out there and it was dead accurate. It was right at 174. It works perfectly. Whoever wins the other one I got is going to love it. It's Wi-Fi, it's Bluetooth. In 3 to 5 minutes charging. I think that's what it was. It charges really fast. It works really good. Temperature's right on. It gives you ambient at one end, internal at the other. Hello? Check it out. Meatmeet. And don't forget to write in the comments, I want to meet me. Okay? Spelled MEATMEET. All right. And I'll pick one of you as winner. Okay, so you can see we raised the target temperature to around 194. We like 194, 185. It gets really tender at that point. So we raised the target. It's 293 still. It's bouncing up and down because it's a smoker. And then internally is 159, so it's pretty close to being done. This is kind of nice. All right, guys, so the grill looks really good. I mean, it looks grilled, okay? The pressure cooker, we use the Ninja Foodie. We thought, we should have done a little bit of air frying in the Ninja Foodie to get a little crispier. Smells good. Doesn't look as good as the grilled. The oven looks meh, right in the middle. Doesn't look amazing. Doesn't look bad. Same with the smoker. Well, smoker has a pink hue to it. Alright, I don't even know what order to go in. I'm going to start with the grill. Visually, the grill looks good. Then the smoke. Then the oven. Then the pressure cooker. Feel-wise, when we cut a rib out of each one, the oven felt amazing, ironically. Felt moist. Felt good. So, let's try the grill first. Very flavorful. Very good. Let's try the pressure cooker. It's good. Not as good as the grilled. Alright, now for the smoked. That was just as good as the grilled. Alright, now the oven. The oven was really good. Pressure cooker was the only one that was just meh. There was a tie with flavor on the grill and the smoker. Texture-wise, the grill's the winner. If they both taste good, but that feels better in my mouth, the grill wins, all of them. Nothing like an open flame. All right. I want to give this away to somebody. So please check it out. Comment down below that you want the Meatmeet. And good luck. I love you guys. See you in the next episode.